Today, I'm going to be throwing micro baits and big baits to see which catches the biggest bass in this golf course pond. The water is super murky, so these fish are going to have a hard time seeing our bait. So to catch them, I have a very bright colored lure tied on. Alright guys, the first bait we're throwing is this micro paddle tail. Let's see what wants to pick it up. Oh, that's a fish on, you guys. He picked it up right as I cast it. There we go. First fish of the day right there. Nice little largemouth, super fat and healthy. Let's get him back. Let's catch one more fish on the paddle tail and switch up to the big bait to see which a bigger fish wants to eat. Oh, I just got smoked. No way, he ripped my paddle tail off. I gotta tie a new one. Alright guys, just tied on a brand new paddle tail. Let's see if that fish comes back and eats it this time. Ooh, there we go guys. That's a fish on. It's about the same size. This one actually might be a touch bigger, you guys. So let's see if we can catch a bigger one on the big bait. Okay, the fish were loving the small bait. Now I've got a big old craw tied on, and let's see if the big fish want to eat this. There we go. Fish on. Let's see if it's a big one. Oh, there we go. Just on that big old homemade craw right there, and that's the biggest fish of the day so far. Let's see if we can catch an even bigger one on that craw. All right, we get one more fish on this giant craw to see if it catches a bigger fish than the paddle tail. Just made it to a different part of the pond. Let's keep throwing this big craw and see if a big one wants to pick it up. All right guys, it seems like the fish are really liking this miniature paddle tail right here. Let's keep casting and see if we can finally find that big one we've been looking for. Oh, I just got smoked. Let's start right back in that spot and see if they want to eat it. There we go. Oh, no. What? Oh, he was putting up a good fight for his size. There you go. That's a fish on. Absolutely tiny guy, but we got him. Ooh, cast back there. They're all over there. If that fish tore a paddle tail off, we gotta tie on something else. Ooh, I just got smoked. I saw him eat it. He missed it though. There we go. Fish on. Alright. There's a Danko. Oh, missed him again. There we go. Big fish. Big fish. That's a big one. Alright, we gotta try to land this fish, you guys. This is gonna be hard. Probably around 3 pounds. Come here. Alright guys, let's see if we can get this fish. There we go. Now that is a solid fish right there. That is a proper fish right there. Let's let this giant go right there. An absolute beauty. There you go, you guys, fish on. It's a little one.